CJ, your favorite scuba diver here with Deep South Divers. Hello everybody over at STEADFAST, Scott, Steven, Val, Renwick, everybody. We're diving on the Lady Elizabeth today, your boat, your new one. And you can see she's entangled. She's got some kind of line in the wheels. This is the starboard side of the Lady Elizabeth. So I'll pull. It looks like crab pot line. So I'll pull this out of the cutlass bearing and off the shaft. Clean that all up. And a cursory glance on this wheel here, on this prop. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. I've left these, the video of the disentanglement in here so that I can figure out which side is which. That was the starboard side. I'll move over here to the port side wheel, and that one's tangled up too. Just looks like it's crab pot line. This was August 24th, by the way, just in case you're wondering that. Now I don't normally just cut this. I can just cut the stuff right out, but I don't normally cut it out. I pull it out, and the reason is because I want to make sure that I get everything out of the cutlass bearing. If I start cutting, I can leave pieces in there, and so it's better if I just sit there and disentangle it and pull everything out. You can see here there's a first hint of damage. See, there's a big fold over, big ding in that wheel. And so while I'm disentangling, I'm kind of making a mental note. Hey, I need to go back and sort of check that and find out what's going on. So again, this is a visual marker for me. That is the port side wheel. I'll get rid of all the junk that was in there. Throw it up there for Renwick to take care of. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start cleaning the boat. That's important for me to be able to see specifics regarding that prop. In my mind, I'm thinking I already know that there's damage to that port side prop. And as I was cleaning the prop, I stopped and sort of counted. You can see there's a wave in that blade right there. This blade is bent at an unnatural angle, and you can see the ends are chiggered up. What you're going to get is you're going to get a pretty bad vibration out of that side specifically. Efficiency's kind of gone. You can hear boats cruising by the way. That's what that hissing sound was. But alright, so I'll keep cleaning that wheel and give you guys a second shot. I know you want a short video, so I'll just kind of end it here. But that wheel needs to be pulled and sent to a prop smith and let him redo it. That's it. We'll see you on the next video.